Hey loves, so in today's video I'll be showing you all how I did this great Bantu knot out featuring Healthy Thicker Curls products. These products were sent to me by the owner Patricia in exchange for a review. So first we're going to start off on freshly washed hair and sectioned off the hair. I'm going to start off with the leave-in conditioner. This leave-in contains argan, coconut oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, and silk amino acid for extreme moisture, nourish, and repair. Next, I'm going to go in with the hair growth oil that contains soybean oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil to reduce hair loss, seal in moisture, as well as add softness and shine. Lastly, I'm adding a cream that contains shea butter, olive oil, jojoba oil, and sunflower oil to soften hair, prevent dandruff, breakage, and frizz. I'm using the LOC method when doing these Bantu knot outs. So I like to do my Bantu knot outs in the twist and Bantu method, where I do a 2-strand twist and then twist it into the Bantu knot. Oh, and since you're already invested into this video, why don't you click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up while you're at it. So once I'm done doing all the 2-strand twists in my hair, I'm going to twist the hair into a Bantu knot in the same direction of how I twisted my twist, if you get what I'm saying. Once all my Bantu knots are done, I'm going to go ahead and just put on my bonnet and just let my hair air dry for the night. So once my hair is dry, I'm going to apply the growth oil into my hand to take down my Bantu knots and reduce frizz. Off the bat, I noticed my hair was soft and moisturized and my curls were so defined. These products all retail less than $11, which is a great price compared to the usual $15, $20 products that we have nowadays. I'm going to then go in with my hair pick to pick my roots for more volume and lay my edges with my Style Factor gel, which is my favorite gel or edge control. So this is the final look, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below and tell me what you think. I truly recommend these products. They are so great and highly moisturized. Bye, loves.